Speaking of EVs and new cars and tech and our pal Elon Musk, once again, his tweet has made the news as people have wondered about a potential update to the Model S, Model X, and everyone's well aware that he's been testing out certain, what they're calling Plaid versions, Plaid editions, upgraded versions of the Model S on the Nürburgring in Germany to compete with the Taycans of the world and to set some records.
What do you think of the name? Plaid. As like an upgraded version.
Well, he got it from Spaceballs. So it's just meme lord stuff.
Ah.
And if you scroll down, that's actually how he made the news here in this particular article. This is the post that caused the ruckus that got Tesla Roddy writing, which is the site that we're on, which got us talking about it. That's the tweet that caused it all. One day soon, I will wear this outfit. And it's a guy from an old TV show wearing a serious plaid suit. But the plaid thing is, I believe it's from Spaceballs, and plaid is the highest level setting for speed on one of the spaceships.
Oh.
And that's why plaid is even above ludicrous. And I could be completely wrong, in which case you're going to prove that right now. No, there you go, into plaid. So yeah, it's meme lord stuff. Oh. Anyway, people are waiting for some sort of update on the Model S and X, and he puts out this tweet, one day soon I will wear this outfit. Cryptic, of course, as it would be, but seeming to imply to many that at this next event, an anticipated Battery Day event, which he'll be announcing some things, people think they may hear a little something about a potential plaid version of the Model S to get people thinking, to get people talking about Tesla once again, and speed, which the two things, they sort of go hand in hand. I don't know if you knew that, Will. When is the event? Battery Day is scheduled to be held September 22nd. So you don't have to wait too long. It's funny because currently the Model 3 actually has some capabilities that the Model S doesn't have on a track. And so the Model S really needs some type of update like this to reclaim its crown at the top of, as the flagship unit within the fleet. That's how the flagship concept gets its name. It's a fleet of ships. It's the flagship, carries the flag.